Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Asiqale ngo-Agustin Sirino bafethu, suspended because of unama-yellow cards awu-3. You know why ngingawatholanga lama-yellow card mangisho previous games? Ngicabanga ukuthi nje bamdrobhile. U-Agustin Sirino uthola ama-yellow card unnecessary bafethu. I went through lento le yakhe. Uthole and akadlali nokudlala ama-full games laphana ku-CAF bafethu, but uthola ama-yellow card. Khona ayithole ngo-90 something minutes, khona ayithole ngo-89 minutes. I mean, angeke phela uyabakhosta ngama-yellow card wakhe. Lento yakhe le econsi, Kaizer Chiefs izobhilda kanjani i-team around yena if uzothola ama-yellow card unnecessary kanjena bafethu? That's not the way to go ngumfana. Futhi ubhuti ayi no, kumele ezame ngempela ukuyilungisa le ndaba yakhe, but yaka-Agustin Sireno ngeke isaphinde ilungiseke into yakhona bafethu. Lo muntu lo u-reactive to into ey'ningi, so ama-youngsters around yena mawambheka or abheka i-situation yakhe azo-reacta kanjani if umuntu uthola ama-yellow card kanje, because of umuntu one-experience kanje bayamdinga ku-continental football. But-ke kuyenzeka-ke manje la bamdinga khona kakhulu, especially boma-Egypt la ku-hostile khona akekho ngendaba yama-yellow card wakhe unnecessary. Uthola ama-yellow card i-match seyiphelile, i-Kaizer Chiefs nala iwine khona 3, uthola i-yellow card unnecessary ne-Cabo Scope, Cabo Scope wo-2 amagame uthola ama-yellow card i-match seyiphelile. Hhayi bafowethu, no. But-ke asijampe ku-Agustin Sireno, yes bamdrobhile, bamdrobhanga u-suspended ngendaba yama-yellow card. Ngifuna ukukhuluma ngoshinga bafowethu lo abangamselekthanga. Bakhuluma kahle kakhulu bafowethu ngoshinga. Khona umqeqeshi lo wayemcoacha laphana ku-development whatever before aya laphana ePortugal. Ukhuluma kahle kakhulu ngoshinga, uyasho ukuthi ushinga uyi-quality. Kumele laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs bamnike noma ngabe i-chance eyodwa, hhayi ukuthi nje bamthathe le ePortugal ukuthi bamlethe la e-South Africa engadlali nokudlala. So mchaze kahle kakhulu bafowethu, athi ushinga umfana ohambuli laphana, umfana wasemlazi kodwa une-discipline. Uthi azikho iy'tori nje zakashinga, awekho nje ama-complaints. Uthi nje umuntu osebenzayo and ozamayo nokuthi a-improve. Uthi lento eyenzeka kuye laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi angatholi i-game time, uthi it's a matter of maybe ukuthola nje i-opportunity, then abantu bazobona ukuthi ushinga u-capable of ini noma angadlala kanjani. So uthi kuya-deserve at least ukuthi abantu bambone bafowethu noma kanye-ke. Uthi usho ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ayimthathanga lena ePortugal without ukubona something. Uthi sometimes kulezi zinto lezi zebhola kumele ulinde isikhathi sakho. Uthi masifika siyafika, but if asifiki asifiki. Kumele nje wena ufocus emsebenzini ukwazi ukusebenza. Kusho uMthembu bafowethu, eveza nje kancane ukuthi ushinga unama-qualities kanjani. Uthi uyakwazi ukudlala laphana i-left back, uthi u-skillful kakhulu bafowethu, futhi uyakwazi ukuya phambili, uyakwazi ukukhombana nama-players wakhe, i-combinations, uyakwazi ukungena laphana ebhokisini. Uthi ushinga u-quick noma u-fast kakhulu bafowethu, uyi-natural born player. Uthi even nalaphana emuva in terms of i-defense u-strong also. Nje uthi-ke ucabanga ukuthi mengathola ama-opportunity noma i-opportunity laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, uzobajabulisa and then ababonise ukuthi angenza kanjani nanokuthi angaba-offerani laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Ushinga what I saw laphana mina ku-Toyota Cup bafowethu, ngabona ukuthi ushinga okay, u-skillful, uthanda ukuya phambili. I remember ne-commentators ithi hayibo, lo muntu i-defender, thuka ne-commentator ukuthi i-defender kanjani, lo muntu uya phambili ushaya iy'kili. Zonke nje lezo zinto lezo ushinga-ke loyo bafowethu, that's what he brings to i-Kaizer Chiefs, i-flair, i-skill, ukuya phambili akasabi. Lo muntu vele bekungasiye i-left back, he was only converted later on ukuthi aye ku-left back, but uzithandela nje ukuya phambili. Kaze ejimini-ke laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs babonani thina lesingayiboni? Phela khona izinto ababonayo thina esingazazi, ababonayo ukuthi ama-disadvantage wakhe ushinga or ama-advantages o-coach njengoba bangakam-introduce, akatravelanga yet again laphana ne-squad se-Kaizer Chiefs. Yeah man, ulinde i-opportunity yakhe laphana, uyamncoma u-former coach wakhe. Ngibone i-comment laphana, omunye umuntu athi hayi uVuma i-flop, akekho good, even abanye abo-goalkeeper laphana abafana nabo-Ntwari ba-better than yena. So i-Kaizer Chiefs yenze iphutha ukuthi imrenewele i-contract noma imnike i-contract. Did Kaizer Chiefs make a mistake with uVuma, but they wanna keep i-core of i-team yabo or abafana abancane or abantu abakhulela ku-Kaizer Chiefs? Asazi, kwazibona ukuthi babonani kulona bafowethu kuVuma. Ulo uMandla Masango bafowethu owayedlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs naye uthi uthini uMandla Masango? Uthi i-Kaizer Chiefs izinto sezishintshile, uyabona ukuthi bayabuya abafana nanokuthi baqala ukwenza kahle kakhulu, so they are getting there kancane kancane. Nabo-coaches kusho ukuthi i-patience nje edingekalayo laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi izinto zabo zibe right. Is it patience or is it what? Is it coaching? 'Cause ama-player banawo. but it's just about ukuthi bawadlalisa kanjani lama-player lawa abanawo bafowethu. Athi sibheke okunye esingavala ngako into esingakhuluma ngako sikukhave bafowethu. Yeah. Before ithi ngibuyele kuGustin Sirino le engivule ngayo. UGustin Sirino obviously ulwela i-contract entsha laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs but kutholana nama-yellow card unnecessary. I don't think i-contract yakhe bazoyi-renew. There's no way urenew i-contract yomuntu uyazi ukuthi kuligi nje last season uthole ne-red card, ama-yellow card, ama-suspension isikhathi esiningi uthola ukuthi khona la ngekho khona nimdinga khona serious, so you can't operate ngalowo muntu loyo. Kwesinye isikhathi akakhuzeki, zonke lezo zinto lezo, so I don't think uzoyithola i-contract laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. I don't think uzoyithola i-renewal ngempela. It's not based on talent unalo, i-work rate, well, he can improve, but he can improve like ku-work rate yakhe, but uyi-star uGustin Sirino. Siyazi ukuthi mefuna ukudlala, when he wants to perform and deliver for the team, we know what he can do, what he can give i-team. But at what stake do they give him i-contract entsha? Umdlali phela exciting ufana noGustin Sirino, don't wait until i-contract yakhe seyiyophela usocabanga ukuyireniwa. No, decide lesekusasela unyaka or 2 uyi-renew i-contract yakhe, but as things stand bonakala ngathi uzoyishiya i-Kaizer Chiefs makuphela isizini uGustin Sirino. Think ezinye izinto indaba yama-behavior inini bake baklatsha ne-Kaizer Chiefs, but yeah. Okay, yeah, nayo lento le bengicabanga uMduduzi Shabalala bafowethu bangamdevelopa to a world class player laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, cause i-player phela kuba ne-progression bafowethu. Bayaku-introduce ethimini, baku-integrate kahle, and then uloku ukhulu u-advance, u-change, uba ngcono, uswitch. Naye uShabalala kumele akwazi ukumisela serious ukuthi i-career yakhe i-elevate, because uma ngimbukela uShabalala bafethu lo muntu i-superstar, and akasiniki leyo nto leyo, like akasiniki everything ekuye laphana. Like ngike ngakhuluma ngayo last inyana mangikhuluma nge-decision making yakhe, mangibheka ama-youngsters like lese iy'ntanga zakhe zaku-P_S_L almost ucishe ashaye zonke based on i-talent, and based on what he can do. Ama-assist wakhe uShabalala ucreate ama-assist amaningi kakhulu laphana Kaizer Chiefs from last season, but though the guys are not able to bury those opportunities. So how do you develop uShabalala to be a world class superstar? I-talent elikhona, una everything, but it's just about shaping and introduce izinto ezizomsiza. Funny enough izola so iTumele Nkhune kunalo goalkeeper coach benaye. I-Kaizer Chiefs idinga abantu abazokwazi ukudila nama-youngsters, abomfundo, aboShabalala, ukuthi abantu bayabathanda one, bane-talent fine, but-ke yini into ezokwazi uku-fast track i-career yabo, because uShabalala ufike 2022 ku-professional setup laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs ku-senior team, but akaka-elevate to that peak of ukuthi unstoppable ngempela. There's no way. Okay, angifuni ukubala ama-player adlala kuBafana Bafana bacishe balingane nabo. Ubetter than amanye ama-player laphana in terms of i-talent, but i-work rate bafethu that makes you stand out. And then i-decision making yakuthi ufuna ukuhold ibhola kakhulu, beating players on isikhathi esiningi. Is a good pass off the ball, so mangafocus ukuthi alibambe pass, angaliholdi kakhulu ibhola lento yakuthi abambane nebhola likhiphe kube i-goal kick. No, I believe nje ukuthi okay, I remember this one when I was training eJimmiston ngisemncane. I think it was egroundini lakhona sitraine nabo Morakwasalozi nani ama-teams like a-different, because bekunama-ground ngathi ayi-6 around ngakhi la okutrain. There was this coach kufundisa ukuthi beyifundisa ama-forwards ukuthi kunama-moments la kumele ungabambi ibhola more than 2 touches, so uyalitrapha and then uyaphasa or uphasa same time. So makangamaster lezo zinto lezo ukuthi ibhola malifika pa unlock ama-spaces and then akwazi ukuzivulela, is gonna be world class. Ngabe futhi even last season ngabe he was one of the best. He could have easily been one of the best players ku-league last season if lama-opportunities bawa-creator, beyena bekawa-creator Kaizer Chiefs bebawakora, unfortunately bebangawakori. But naye bafowethu ngishilo last ukuthi kumele abe nama-target wakhe, aziphushe, asebenze kanzima. You could see ukuthi khona into eshodayo encane, there's something small missing. I-work rate ayikho enye, i-work rate nokuthi abe quick. Sometimes 2 touches kuphela, move the ball, ungafuni ukuli-hold. E-Africa kuzodlala nabantu abanomzimba bazovele bakugudluze bathathe ibhola. You don't want that, you don't want to expose yourself. uVilakazi wajoyina i-Kaizer Chiefs 2021, yabona ukuthi uVilakazi career yakhe fast track kangakanani bafethu, fast yamuva. Just 2021 wajoyina i-Kaizer Chiefs. I think bebathi uzodlalela i-under 17 and then bampromotha fast-ke to i-D_D_C team. For 2 years kwi-D_D_C team eyishisela and then he was promoted to i-first team. And then sekaku-first team manje, what is the next level for yena umfana? uVilakazi siyambona naye ukuthi u-super talented, but what is the next level yakhe? Ocoach kumele bathole ocoach abahlakaniphile laphana, abantu abazoba direct ba-place to ama-forwards wabo, babatshele bahlale nabo ukuthi mfethu uyakwazi ukudlala but-ke release ibhola fast, uyakwazi ukudlala inini. So izinto ey'ncane ukuthi abafana baloke bafunda. I watch Cristiano Ronaldo when he was introduced to Manchester United, ne? He was not lo Ronaldo esambona ku-Madrid. So i-evolution, you have to evolve. South Africa, we don't evolve. I-player le introduce adlale the same way for 10 years. No difference, nothing. Yinto eslow ama-player. Ama-teams nawo anama-problems ukuthi they don't fast track ama-careers wama-players in terms of ukuthi baba-inspire kube nabantu aba-around bona njengakudala ukuthi basethe up ama-standards wabo kakhulu. Cela ukuyibamba lana bafowethu. Danko, cela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe and making sure ukuthi le page lifika ku-15,000 subscribers.